Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great, looking sharp. Oh yes, so in today's video I said let us make Chinese chicken sauce together. Yes. Mhm. Mhm. So let's turn the sauce to it. The chicken. Mhm. So we have to leave it to steam before adding every other thing. This is chicken fillets. Yeah, that's chicken breast, as they call it. So, you see, yes. So the chicken I marinate it with white pepper and seasoning. Yeah, any seasoning of your choice can go. Whether white pepper, black pepper, or vegetable seasoning, any seasoning of your choice can go. So, so let's leave it to cook. Oh yes, guys, as you can see, it's going nowhere. So let's add the carrots. So we'll leave it to cook a little. Oh yes, so my lovely and amazing people. As you can see, it's getting ready. So let's add the broccoli. This is on high demand because Oga requested for it. My bobo at the top, my odogo at the top requested for it. Oh, the Oga kwata of them all say make I cook am. That's okay. I have to. So make we add down soy sauce. All right, so let's leave it to cook a little because broccoli Just have to cook a little, then it is ready. As you can see, it's looking yummy already. You see it? Aha, so let's leave it to cook a little. Then it is ready. Yeah. Yes, so ah, I dey cook this one since, so I don't want to make the video too long, so I just say okay, when I'm almost done with this, I will show it. See, it's almost ready. My Chinese fried rice. Yeah, it's ready. Not almost. It's ready. Next time, I will carry you guys along in the step by step. So let me add the spring onions to garnish it. Then it is ready. Yeah. Hmm. Just look at the yumminess of this pot. The yumminess. Ah, ah. Just look at. Ah, ah. Calling your name to come and join us to enjoy. Mm. Just look at the yumminess. Ah, ah. It's ready. Oh. My Chinese fried rice is ready. Yeah, this one is set. Yummy and delicious. Yes, it's very delicious. When I say delicious, it's delicious because by the time you will be watching this video, we have already enjoyed it, and it was delicious. Yes, so by the time I dey watch this video, we'd already enjoy am, watch the pots. The food tastes nice, delicious and yummy. Looking sumptuous. Yeah. You see? Because Oga say make I cook am again. Because that first one when I cook, he enjoyed am. He say, cook am again, my wife. I said, okay, no problem. I will do it for you. I will do it for you, my love. Don't worry. I will do it and I will cook it. Yeah. So we don't enjoy am again. Yeah. But today, he come kneel down with chicken sauce. That Chinese chicken sauce. So now we enjoy am. You see, don ready oh. So see, it's ready. Looking yummy and delicious. Aha. So let's check on our chicken sauce. Hmm. Jesus. The aroma. Ah, ah. Yes, it's ready. It's ready. Oh. Ah, as you can see the color. Hi, very beautiful color. Nice color. So done ready. The chicken sauce done ready also. Everything done dey okay. All right, my lovely and amazing people. See you on the next one. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, share to your loved ones, share to your family and friends. Click on the like button. Also, leave a beautiful comment on the comment section. Please, when you subscribe, also press the notification button so that you will be the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. Please, my amazing family, support your baby girl. Support me, guys. Please, guys, support me. I love you all. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Love you guys. You're still the yumminess. Yeah.